Amakosi latest and transfer news. According to Everything Soccer, surprise Ralani from Mamelodi Sundowns has attracted interest from Amakosi. Kaizer Chiefs are considering signing Bradley Surprise Ralani as a free agent as his contract with Sundowns will not be renewed. According to Austin Di Tlopolo, no new deal yet for Amakosi's finest goalkeeper Brendan Peterson. His current Kaizer Chiefs contract ends in June 2024. The 20-year-old will be free to sign a pre-contract with the club of his choice from January 2024 onwards. Kaizer Chiefs are not having a break during this FIFA break. Instead, they are hard at work. Molefintseki wants to work more on his tactics. Only those who receive national team call-ups are excused from the training session. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Bye.